Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video of Tech Helpline. If you're also trying to add in a location on Snapchat story, then let me show you the quick process of doing it. The very first thing you want to go through is you need to make sure that your location services are turned on your iPhone or Android. So go on, turn on your location services and usually you should be good to go now. Now, the next step you need to do is open up your Snapchat application and all you have to do is go ahead and make your story as you normally would. So let's say I want to post this on my Snapchat story. Then click on the little sticker icon right there and you'll come into this panel. Now at the very top, you'll see the location option at the middle. When you click on it, your location will come up or you can search a location. You can now go ahead and put the location wherever you want to. Click on the next button and then to my story. And there's how you can post a Snapchat story with a location in it. If you have any other thoughts or queries, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.